Hi guys, wish you a very happy Diwali and a prosperous New Year. So we shall start preparing some sweets for Diwali and New Year. So traditionally we all make Chakli, Chevra and Besan Laddu. All these things are the main itineraries of the Diwali festival. So here we start with making Chaklis. So let's start. I keep the pan to get hot. Now I add in the rice. I roast the rice first nicely. This is the traditional way of making the chakli, which is made at home. Very crispy and very nice to eat. Now we'll add in the moong dal, the safed urad dal and the chana dal. And again we'll roast all these ingredients together. It is well roasted. Now we'll add in 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Again we will roast this well. All the ingredients are well roasted and I'll keep it to cool for some time. I'll roast all the ingredients into a fine powder. The mixture is well grounded and now I'll remove it. I'll empty it into a bowl. The flour is really smooth and nice. I'll put in the mixture, the flour first in the thali. Then I'll add in half teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste, one teaspoon of red chili powder and 1 tablespoon of white sesame seed and water. I'll make a dough out of this. Keep the dough to rest for 20 to 25 minutes covered with a moist cloth. After 20 to 25 minutes of rest of the dough has become soft and nice. Now I'll take a small ball of the dough and I'm going to put this dough into the chakli maker, which is easily available in the market. Fill the chakli maker to the top so that it can press out easily. There are different molds and shapes in this chakli maker where you can make sev, you can make thick sev, barik sev and many other things from this chakli maker. But I have put a star shaped mold for making of the chakli. The chaklis are rolled out with the help of the chakli maker. In the karai I have kept enough oil to become hot. And I'll fry these chaklis when the oil becomes hot and nice. The chaklis are getting nice and brown. It's really looking very nice. See, the color is so yummy. So I'll remove it. It's really cooked. It's become crisp and nice. Our first Diwali recipe is ready. I hope you will try it at home and really enjoy the chaklis which are made at home, which are really yummy. Once again, I wish you all a very happy Diwali and a happy New Year. Do try it and get back. Thank you.